Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Now, we're going to look at an NFT game today because they're going to be really hot and could be the next Axie Infinity. It has a market cap of 1.8 million, a fully diluted market cap of 114 million. So you want to look at somewhere beyond there. But Axie Infinity, I think, AXS has a market cap of several billion. So even if you take the 114 million, there's still a lot of room for growth. And remember, a lot of that's going to be locked for play to earn purposes. So it could actually be worth a lot of money. Axie Infinity is 8.44 billion market cap. So it's 80x this, even if you actually take the fully diluted market cap. Now, the self-supporting circulating supply is 1.6 million. The overall supply is 100 million. And you can actually get it on PancakeSwap right now. It actually has been audited by RD editors and Hacken. So I don't really know how much you guys trust audits. They're definitely not foolproof. But I will say projects that have been audited are much better than projects that have not been audited. And this one has been audited by Hacken and RD auditors. The tokenomics we can actually look at right now. The seed round is 7%. The strategic round is 5%, so that's kind of like investors. So the seed round, they got it at 10 cents. The strategic round, they got it at 13 cents. And IDO round, they got it 15 cents. Now it's at $1.14. So there could possibly be some dumping, but there's really not that much there's really not like that much raised, like $700,000, $650,000, $450,000. And they did get it in at a very, very low price. But like I said, like this one is basically 1/80th of the market cap of Axie. And that's only around 15% of the total coins. Now, the things that you should be concerned about is the core team and the advisors. The core team gets 20%. The advisors get 15%. So altogether, the core team and the advisors have 35%. You can actually look at their vesting schedule as well. And seed round, I think it's only like 2021, and then there's like monthly vesting for 95% from 2022 to 2023. So 5% can actually be released in 2021. And then you have strategic round, IDO round, liquidity. So the core team, the quarterly vesting, they won't be able to sell until Q2 of next year. And basically, like, it's from 2022 to 2023, so you have a couple of years for them to actually sell. So at least like for the next, I would say 9 months, you feel pretty safe. Obviously, play to earn will actually start in Q3, Q4 very soon, and economy fund will actually start in Q3, Q4. So basically, the quarterly vesting of the core team advisors, you got several months before they're actually able to sell. So like during late Q1 next year, you might want to consider selling if the price has actually gone up. I would say overall, the tokenomics aren't too bad. The core team and the advisors having 35% isn't nearly as bad as some games. It's not the best, but it's not nearly as bad as some games. And there's plenty in the play to earn fund. Now, the marketplace is really cool. You can actually buy monsters and buy like other potions for them and feeds for them. That's pretty cool. But the thing is, like, it does follow Axie Infinity's kind of like tokenomics, economy model. You can actually rent monsters and make money that way. I think one reason Axie has been so popular is because you can actually rent AXS Axies and people can actually play your Axies for you. I think this is going to be the same thing. So it could possibly be the next Axie Infinity. The graphics honestly look pretty good, and I know people are really into these games. It's kind of like Pokemon. You get a monster, you feed monsters, you battle monsters, and you collect and own monsters and create monsters. Obviously, they have partners like Chainlink, Polygon, and a bunch of others as well. So I think this is definitely something that you might actually want to look at. Interesting game mechanics, similar kind of rent thing to Axie Infinity, and there is actually a team of like 8 or 9 people. I think the CEO is like more from the Middle East, and you can actually check out their LinkedIns. So this actually did get promotion on Cointelegraph and maybe a couple of other places. So they are actually going to advertise this out a little bit. And I do think that you could put a little bit of money into this. Obviously, new games like this, I wouldn't put a lot of money into, maybe a couple $100 at most. Something that you could definitely afford to lose. But if you're looking for an NFT gem, this could be the next one. It's really new. It's a very low market cap. Even if you take the fully diluted market cap, it's going to be fairly new. And a lot of that core team vesting doesn't really come into play until Q2 of 2022, and it will extend until the end of 2023. So nice vesting schedule, pretty cool game, and definitely could have a pump in the future. So you can get it on PancakeSwap. No, I'm not being paid to do this, and I don't really play this game myself, and I do not plan to buy this myself. But many people have actually been asking me like for like new NFT games they could possibly look at. This one is fairly new and definitely something you could take a look at. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.